Have you ever found yourself in a situation in which you're gift wrapping late at night and you realize that you've run out of small gift boxes but you have more than enough big ones? Or the smaller gift boxes that you currently have are not deep enough to fit your miscellaneous gifts that you want to put in one box? Hi friend, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you a little gift box resizing trick that might come in handy if you want to save yourself some time from doing that special trip to the store. What we're going to do is turn a rogue box into half its size. So a rogue box is currently 11 inches by 17 inches by 2.5 inches. And what we're going to do is we are going to break it down into an 11 by 8.5 by 2.5. So this is a box bottom and this is a box top here. And the box tops are usually slightly bigger than the bottoms. What I like to do is look at the prints on them, and I tend to use one that has a print going all the way through. So I'll set these aside and I will actually break down this box right here. What we're gonna do first is lay our box top flat. Then we are going to bend this edge to reach the flap right over here and bend it down. And it doesn't need to be perfect. So we'll bend it through and we'll crease it nicely. Then we're going to do it to the other side. We're going to bring it to this line right here. And we'll crease this through as well. This brings you with 2 creases on this side and 2 creases on that side. All we're going to do here is snip right down on both sides. And that brings our box in half. If you would like to, you can tape the interior. So what I'll do is I'll bend this backwards. And I will just put a little piece of tape on the insides. If you'd like to make it more sturdy. And now we have a box that can easily fit a top and our body products. Let me know in the comments down below whether you already use this gift wrap hack or if you have other neat ones that you'd like to share. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to follow me as I share with you more tips and tricks in my gift wrapping world. Until then, have a great day. Bye.